My name is Brittany Watson, and I play a bird girl in Seussical. This has been a really good experience because everyone in the cast is so nice, and it's just such a fun and great place to be and spend my time. I'm always excited to go to rehearsals, and I can't wait to put on the production. At first, I thought it was just a fun sort of experience for us all to, get together and put something great on for the community. But then I realized that the show is also talking about, even though you can be small, you have a voice and you can always make a change in the world. And I realized that's kind of what this is about. It's a message to us and everybody. And it's saying we can always bring the good out in a tough situation.